Alright guys, today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. Now, Southern California, things you don't see very often is a lawn. I want to do a lawn at our house. So here's my backyard. We put up a fence recently. Hit it with the Bobcat right there. Yep, master operator. So I have DG over there, and this is topsoil over here. I'm digging down the center of it. I got some 4x6s, pressure treated. I'm gonna drop in there. They've been sitting for about a month, maybe a touch over a month. So hopefully they don't twist, crack, and bend like everything else you get from Home Depot. As far as over here goes, we're going to have another board that comes over and locks it into this. So I'm on the fence whether I want the board to go the entire distance or if I want it to end kind of where the patio ends here. I'm sure I'll know pretty quick here. So you guys will know in about probably a minute or so once I'm done rambling. Alright guys, so we have the ground leveled out where I want it. This one here, we're going to be coming in 6 inches, slicing, and then notching it halfway. That way the next board comes in, they kind of sister on top of each other, like that. Then I got 2 bolts going through it, and then we're going to keep on going. I do have other bolts that I purchased that are going to go just kind of poking through in a few different spots. I'm going to hammer the whole thing into the ground. That way it doesn't want to walk any which direction. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to make this notch and then throw this one in, level out for the next one, and just keep on going. So now I'm gonna put some boards together, slap them all in the hole, because I got carriage bolts that need to be bolted from the underside. So I'm gonna have to put those in first. So time to get these suckers built. we're gonna roll it. Alright, now I'm gonna try and set my angle a little bit here.
So I have a maybe dumb question. What happens when you try and bolt that one in now?
That one's gonna be fun. But I can't build the whole thing. Like we wouldn't be able to set it in and do it.
Okay.
So I don't know. This is all I got. Figure I could probably hold it up just a little bit, start spinning them on underneath it.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so the Home Depot wood did warp a little bit, but we're going in. Overall, you're never going to notice the little crown in it. I went proud of everything to bring everything up to level on it. So we're looking pretty good. Now we're going to cut in the piece here to here, and then we'll tie that in all at the same time. So I'll make this whole section and then drop it in and bolt it over here. To bolt this in, I'm going to end up having to pick this up a little bit. So I actually might put this piece in and then that piece. I don't know what I'm going to do. Just like everything else in my life, let's just wing it and make something here. You doing the inspections? Are we good? Oh, big stretches. Yeah, I'm gonna pass an inspection. So my thought here is slip this under here, the same over here.
Okay.
That one's preoccupied right now.
Well, I can do it like slanties.
That's going to need the hammer treatment. We'll use a shovel handle over here. Probably just slip this in diagonally here.
Okay.
I don't know how this is going to work. Preferably not directly underneath the bolt. Okay. Alright, that worked. That's what I needed.
Let's get silly.
Well guys, here's what we got so far. I'm going to start backfilling it. I know it's getting dark, but I'm going to backfill this tonight. And then I have pavers. So I'm going to do a paver patio around the pool right here. And then I'm going to get more DG and go on either side of it. I think that'll clean that up and make it look real nice. As far as this goes, this is all just going to get backfilled nice and tight to the wood. I'm going to leave, 6 inches around the top, otherwise known as a ½ inch, between the dirt and the top of the wood. Give it some sort of a little divider. But I'm pretty happy with the way it came out. There's probably better ways to do it. That's the way I did it though. So tomorrow when the sun shines out, or the next couple days, whenever I can get out here and it's sunny out, I'll shoot another clip of this and show you guys what it looks like all done. Guys, so it's been several weeks, and finally getting out here when it's light out. I shot the video a few times. Every time I've shot this video, it's either with my phone or with a cheap little GoPro that I tried out, and it hasn't worked out. So the big reveal. There it is, guys. And there it is in all of its glory. And you can see also, like a teenager, I'm growing peach fuzz. So, lawn's starting to come in. I think the border looks really good. We're going to do the pavers here. I got to go pick up the pavers sometime in the next week or two. I got them stored at a friend's house, so that'll disperse some of the dirt down there, make this side a little more level, and I think we're going to be really enjoying it. So I'll take you guys along for some paver laying and see where we go from there. Thanks for watching, guys. Really appreciate you guys sticking this stuff out for me. Let me know what you think. Did I do a good job? Did I do a bad job? How would a professional do this? And then also, do you want to see more stuff like this, or do you want me to cut all this shit out and go back to fixing lawnmowers? I make jokes about that because it's one of my most popular videos. But yeah, thanks guys. Enjoy.